said, Samuel, you go down there to Bethlehem, and you anoint Jesse, and you get his sons to come down unto the sacrifice. And then Jesse said, amen, Jesse was obedient and went down to the sacrifice. And then you see about 3 times in here, amen, it says that Samuel, amen, thought that a couple of his sons were going to be king because Samuel was looking on the outer appearance. They might not hate. But listen, aren't you glad that God, amen, don't work like us?
Amen.
Because, see, we'll see somebody and we'll say, birthday week, it's something about them. I just don't like them. It's the way they walk, the way they move. It's an air about them that I just don't like. But we serve a God that works on the inside out. That God is concerned about the heart. So God was concerned about if your heart is right. So when every time he brought the first 3 sons, amen, before God, and then Samuel thought that was the one. But Samuel began to look on the outward appearance. And no doubt, I'm pretty sure you're talking about king, that these probably, if I can place in my spiritual mind, that they probably were all big and muscular. And then, you know, if they came in here, you ladies would go cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. They'd be all built. You'd be like, ooh wee, ooh wee. But see, God said that even in your fineness, even in your muscleness, even you might look like a king, but your heart don't have my spirit. Amen. And when you don't have my spirit, amen, I can't use you right now. And I'm still preparing you. So God's saying, overcomers by faith on today. I know you say you know me. I know you say you have a relationship, but sometimes he says like a one-night stand. Every now and then it don't look like that we connected because every now and then it don't look like we connected because I see some disobedience in your spirit. So every now and then that we need to ask God, is everything cool, God? Are you pleased with everything that I'm doing, what God has for you? It is for you. So to drop down a little bit further, that when he kept on, and then Samuel said, now Jesse brought all his sons, and then you notice in the text that Samuel said, Jesse, are these all your sons? And no doubt, if I can put a place in my mind, it seems like to me that Jesse hesitated. Like, should I tell the truth or should I lie? Because he brought his best of the best that he felt should have been anointed king.
Amen.
Just like us.